welcome to Yardabelli's Kitchen once again, and I wanted to share this real quick video with you guys. My breakfast fruit smoothie, and it's very quick, very simple, and I just wanted to share it with you. Alright, so in my NutriBullet glass I have some ingredients that I wanted you guys to see. At the very bottom of the glass I have some ginger, one slice of fresh ginger, and I have watermelon, then I have strawberry. All of these are fresh ingredients. I have papaya slices. Then at the very top I have frozen banana that I peel, cut, and place in my freezer so that I can use it to make ice cream or whatever else I want to make. And I also have blueberries. These are freshly bought blueberries that I also did the same thing to wash them and put them in a freezer bag and put them in the freezer. And then I have some orange juice here, and this is Nature's Nectar orange juice. I got this from Aldi, and I'm gonna use a little bit of this. And the reason why I'm using this orange juice is just for the liquid factor. You could use water if you want to go pure, no sugar. You could use water, or you could use, for instance, unsweetened tea if you want to make your smoothie. But I'm using a little bit of orange juice, not a lot, but it's, as you see, 100% orange juice, never from concentrate, and so that's good for me. And then I have this. I don't know if I can pronounce the name of it. It's maki powder, and it's a superfood, and I got this at Whole Foods, and it's very good, y'all. I mean, it's basically a berry, and they freeze dry it and stuff. You can add it to your smoothies, and it's good in antioxidants. It's good in all different type of stuff. You can read it, and I'm gonna add that as well, and then add everything to my magic bullet or NutriBullet. So make we see how it gonna. Okay, so this requires basically two teaspoon, and I'm not going with too high, teaspoon. You notice how it black? Heaping. Oh, yeah, not high, heaping. So I'm using 2 regular level teaspoon of this super food, and purple foods are for longevity, I think them say. And it's, when I say purple, I mean it purple till it almost look black. So it's a good superfood if you rate superfoods. Alright? And I'm just gonna add my orange juice, and going up, and stop at the max line. Now, as I said, you didn't have to use orange juice if you don't want to, but it never hurts to use this one. I like it, it's good. And then we're gonna put our NutriBullet top on, if we can get it on, and put it on the machine, and here we go. See how it does come out purple and look nice? It look good, don't Josh? You want some? Yes. Make sure you and then I'm gonna just add some more ice to make it more smoothie, and then we're gonna put it in the glass. Okay, so now we're finished with that. And let me just pour some in this glass, and you shall see. See there? Fruits and all of those things. So try it in your neck of the woods, try it at your home, and hey, who to tell? You maybe like it too. You're the belly in a foreign, health-wise, we say. My mama tell you.